Can you also throw a little light on the live examination part that I saw in one of your videos? Yes.
Live examination, see, we understand that the excitement of examination is also something that basically binds a student towards, confidence and ultimately liking to give the examinations on. So the live examinations that we have on the platform are little gamified elements that we have. How exactly we gamify it is we basically pre-announce that on Sunday there will be a live exam on permutation combination, because the platform has already identified this number of students are doing permutation and combination. So for those students, the platform will announce a live exam that you come and take a live exam of permutation and combination, which is to be held on Sunday 4 to 6. That is the time slot. You have to come and you give the examination, and ultimately at the end of the examination there will be a list of winners, and we will be providing some gift items to those winners. So basically we are trying to build the excitement around examination through those live exam sessions. And obviously the results of those live exams are also going to let the students understand that out of all the students who are preparing for that particular chapter with me, where exactly I am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.